Hey guys, my name is Ricardo Liborio. We're here at Century Martial Arts working some drills. Drills, submissions, sweeps, positions, passes, everything. Have Kevin here with me, Century BJJ. We were working on frame guard. Now, pretty common for the guy to avoid his frame guard when he's on his knees, he changed his level up. So Kevin, from here, I'm gonna frame guard and put this straight when he feels like he's in position, or he's gonna become at position right there, or he's gonna stand up right away, he's gonna try to posture up. I gotta get the sleeves here, guys. Gotta control his arms. At the same time, I'm gonna try to scoop underneath him, and I use my legs to stretch. Got from here, when he's almost touching the floor, I'm pushing it. There's tons of submissions from there when he's in the air. That's what we call the balloon sweep. One more time. Gotta do it again. Just go this way here right now. There you go, okay. Now from here, frame guard. Kevin's gonna start moving. I bring the arms, look at this. Feet on the hip. I try to scoop under, and there you go. When he's touching in, boom. I bring it inside. All right? I'm just gonna do one more time, Kev. Let's try to do it from here. There you go. Pretty common. Frame guard. Kevin started posturing up. I got a good position, foot on the hip. Look at that. When he touches it, boom. I follow up, end up in a mount position. That's what we call the balloon sweep, Kev. Thank you. I'm sorry about that. All right, guys. This is Century BJJ.